Hello, everybody. Welcome to yet another business talk show with Aishwarya Karthik. And I have a special guest today, and Ikra Zahid from USA. She's a mom of three kids, and after researching the market for multiple from home jobs, she finally ended up deciding this digital business. And with God's grace, she's really doing well in this business for a few years now. Come, let's ask from her how has her journey been in this business, and what is her insights about it, and why did she firstly chose this business among the other things in the market. Hi Ikra, thank you so much for accepting my invite. Even though you are a busy mom of three, you somehow had some
Yeah,
time for me as well. So thank you so
yeah.
much.
Thank you so much, Ashwarya, for inviting me. It's a great pleasure to have this talk with you.
Thank you, Ikra. So, just let my audience know, and why did you choose this digital marketing business, and how has your journey been since then?
Yeah, why did actually I was by profession I was a teacher and I was in teaching field for last 10 years. And when my third baby was born and during my maternity leave, I was searching something that I don't have to like go back to my work. That was my reason. I was constantly searching something because I have seen that pain and that struggle with two kids working full time, house chores, kids responsibilities. And honestly, I was scared with all those things now with three kids. So I was looking something like, is there any way that I can stay home but still I can earn and I can be with my kids. So while searching this work from home, I was not searching for any business, I was searching for work from home jobs. But with that work from home jobs, there was one main problem that I have to give fixed hours like 4 to 5 to the computer, and that I cannot give with an infant. So that was a thing. And when I came across this opportunity, and then when I got to know that the timings is flexible, the schedule is flexible, that was the main thing that hit me hard. Okay, this is something I can do it, because an infant in a lab, I cannot give fixed hours to work from home sitting in front of the computer. So that was my why. That was why I choose this business specifically, due to the timings and the flexibility.
Okay, got it. I can really relate very much to you because have I have been as a work from home mother for 4 years, quite close to 4 years now. And even though I work from home, I can really feel the stress, the time, energy, constantly sitting before system for 8 9 hours, and immediately looking after my kids, family course, and everything. Usually when people go to office and do the work, they think probably work from home job is much better. I have been both, and even you have been doing both.
Yeah.
And then I finally decided no, and I don't want to have this fixed time, a lot of stress that comes along with the salary. So that's why even I chose this business for the time
Yeah.
freedom and the flexibility. I'm so glad that it has worked really well for you.